Panorama. The Pano shooting mode includes sphere, 180 degrees, wide angle, vertical. Fly the aircraft to a suitable position for shooting. Tap the shooting mode icon on the right side of the app. Select Pano. After selecting the panoramic photo type, tap the shutter record button on the screen or the remote controller. The aircraft will automatically take several photos and compose one panoramic photo. When shooting is complete, you can tap the playback icon to preview the composed photo. During shooting, tap the shutter record button on the right side of the camera view, or press the flight pause button on the remote controller once. The aircraft will exit panorama immediately and hover. Note that accidentally moving a control stick will also stop the shooting. Thank you for watching.